second bite of the cherry in the eliminator stage tomorrow. First and second will play off.
Lots of tricks, and you can't bowl either. Now it's time for another sideline. A little chat and catch up with Rahman.
Well, thanks so much, guys. I have here with me Vishal Vyas, the founder and CEO of Dreams to Play. What a fantastic concept, Vishal. You've got a lot of young talent that has been scouted through this particular app, and some of them playing here in this tournament as well.
Yeah, absolutely. So app is the world's first digital to physical app where talents from around the world get...
Third edition T10. He's Fryling. And that is a shocker. It's a big no-y, and it's disappeared, but he's going to have to reload this one. Just saying sorry, and bit of, no, maybe a little bit of dew, fraction of dew around.
Is this at the back of the hand that slipped? It's a good effort to get bat on it, really, because at the same time, when you see something coming at your face, you start to duck naturally and then be able to try and hook it as well. Can't do another one, of course, and he'll be taken off. Now, was it at the back of the hand? Oh, no, it was the knuckleball. It was the knuckleball that didn't come out right. Played that pretty well to get bat on that.
Brilliantly played from Najibullah. Really well played. Scoops it over. Beats long off. Delightful.
Just these last two balls that are a Dream 11 game-changing moments for me. It's just completely changed. I thought the Tigers had this game under control a little bit, but the last couple of balls here, couple of boundaries, no balls. You've
winds up, and kaboom! That has gone a long way. Najibullah.
Something with these Afghan boys, when they wind up, they know how to hit it miles. They really do. He's only a little fella. I'll tell you what, he's hit this miles. Change up, load it up. Oh, that's terrific. And notice the fact he didn't give it the kitchen sink at all. Right now, that's gone. How far up has that gone? 4 or 5? Yeah. Well played. Yuvia's not used to the dreads, Ion, with the Spice Man. Now's he picked him out. No, it's cleared. How's that for a shot, Danny?
That's what Andy Flower's saying. How about this? Wicked. Oh, more Renaissance. Look at that go. Look at that go. Oh, fizzing missile. It's fair humming with the Najibullah blade, and Yuvi's going, can I use that stick? And again. He's in a hurry. There's Najib. It's 25 off, and with the 4 no balls, we've still got a delivery to go, folks. Only need 9 now, 13.
Well, he's good. He's good over long on. He's good over extra cover. He's good over point up. Has to do something extraordinary. Extraordinary. Now, someone out there, one bounce. Only one. Now it's up to you.